Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Coffee with Himanshu. I'm Himanshu, and today we are going to discuss a fascinating topic: the importance of BTL marketing in the digital age. Now, in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do that and hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, but before you get started, grab your favorite cup of coffee and get comfortable. Now that you've joined the coffee table, let's explore the exciting world of marketing together. Okay, let's first understand exactly what BTL marketing is. Now, BTL or below the line marketing are the marketing activations that are highly customizable and their communication can be altered and personalized basis your target audience. Here, you get to interact with the customers on a one-on-one basis, through which the customers can share their feedback instantly. And since there is a one-on-one connect with the customer, the conversion of these sort of activities is always higher than the rest of the activation tools. Now, let me give you a real life example to understand this better. Visualize that you are in a mall. In the mall, you see a setup where there's a backdrop, there's a platform, and there's a person with the mic inviting customers to play a game with him. Now, through that game, the customers are rewarded a benefit. Usually, these benefits are customized in a way that they make these customers who are engaged in the activity go to the store of the brand that is doing the activity and convert into a sale. So, the basic fundamental here is you engage with the customers, you communicate them your message tailored to the customer that you are interacting with. Then give them a hook to drive them to your store and hence get a customer out of this. BTL marketing are mostly done to acquire new customers. It has various touch points, and the touch point is basically governed by the customer. So you go where your customer is, or you invite the customers at one touch point through a good CTA or call to action. In this digital age, where customers are bombarded with messages and information from all over, BTL marketing becomes even more important for your marketing strategy. Now, with the overload of information that the customers have, BTL marketing can help you penetrate through the overload and get your message across to the customer in a highly personalized manner. Since you are able to interact with the customer on one-on-one basis, you will be able to showcase your product and services in a much better way, hence building a trust with your brand. That is why integrating BTL in your overall marketing campaign is really important. Okay, we all know that mall activations, mall branding, exhibitions, sponsorship of concerts, sponsorship of events, cold calling, SMS, WhatsApp, emailer, this all comes under BTL marketing. But did you know that even influencer marketing can be considered a BTL marketing tool? Well, this is because the influencer becomes your mode of connect with the customer, and there is again a two-way communication there. While the influencer posts about you, talks about you to their audience can actually SMS message, comment them back and inquire about you and hence get more information tailored to their requirements. Because of this, influencer marketing in this digital age, which is one of the most important and most effective tool used, can also be considered as a BTL marketing tool. Well, BTL marketing also comes with a whole package of challenges. A, it is difficult to directly relate a return on investment on your marketing efforts when you're doing BTL engagements. B, BTL engagements always require time, money, and efforts. Hence, it is important that you plan your BTL marketing properly. Let me explain how. First, that you need to do is define your objective. Clearly state a smart objective that is achievable. Secondly, you define your target audience, basically the customers that you want to target through your BTL marketing activation. Next, once you've decided who to target, then decide the touch point where you want to target those customers. And once you've finalized the touch point, close on a CTA action that you want the customer to do. CTA is call to action, basically inviting customers to do something. That something can be purchase your product, try your service, try a sample product, or visit your website, like, subscribe to the channel, or anything that you want them to do. Next is check the effectiveness of your campaign. It is really important to understand what sort of BTL activations are working for you and what sort of BTL activations are not working for you. And lastly, talk to your customers. Your customers will be able to directly tell you what works and what doesn't work. What do they want? What do they don't want? So, talk to them, take feedback, and take action on those feedbacks. Now let's understand how we can use BTL marketing in the digital first marketing ecosystem that everyone is using nowadays. There are 3 simple ways to do that. A, you can go phygital. When I say phygital, it is a mix of physical engagement using digital touchpoints. For example, you can simply ask the customer to use their mobile phone, which is a digital ecosystem, to scan a QR code to engage in your mall activation. Here, you are physically engaging the customer by use of a digital method. You also have augmented reality based games that you can use. Then, simple sensor based games are also available to engage the customers. The idea is to use digital tools to engage customers physically. Second is to simply link your social media with your physical engagements. For example, you create a selfie booth in the mall. There, you ask customers and invite them to click a picture, upload it on social media, and get some sort of incentive, thereby creating UGC, which is user generated content for your brand, linking your physical engagement, that's a photo op, to social media, which is the digital ecosystem. Third option that you have is simply promoting the customer experience online. You can either ask the customers to post about you, or you record their experience and post it online. By posting the customer experience online, you will be able to show the experience the customers are getting to a larger ecosystem available on the digital platforms. In conclusion, BTL marketing is a powerful tool in this digital age. It allows you to connect with your audience on a more personalized level, build trust, and stand out in the crowded online world. So remember, a well executed BTL marketing strategy can make a significant difference in your online presence and, of course, your business. Thank you so much for joining me over this virtual coffee table today. Now, if you found this video to be insightful, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below, or suggest if you want me to take you through any other marketing related topic. Until next time, keep exploring this world of marketing over another round of coffee with Himanshu.